Nothing can come as close as you when you hear the wind blows. But through this unstoppable storm, love remains. It drives me insane.
Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to another episode of Celebrities Makeup. Actually, I'm not really sure if we can call this a celebrity makeup because I don't know who she is, but I think she's a model, so I prefer to call this video the third episode of Celebrities Makeup. So stay with us, stay tuned with the channel, and keep watching till the end. Like previous celebrities makeup, I like to start with this foundation, Dermaco, and this CC cream. This makeup has a lot of contouring and highlighting, so I'm gonna use a lot of this stuff, and I'm gonna be so creative. I'll show you why. See how creative I am? For now, I like to use this sticky concealer, but probably after we do our eyeshadow, I'm gonna use another concealer that I'm gonna show you. I know we've just have done the contouring, but I really like to use this bronzer because she has done so many contouring in these parts, the forehead and under the cheeks. Just these parts. Ooh. You know, we usually use concealer for this part, but I can see in this picture very clear that she's contoured it. Just here. Nice. And now for the nose. So it's time for bake powder. As you see, she has used a lot of highlighter on her cheeks, but you know, the forehead and under the cheeks are actually completely matte. So we gotta use a lot of this powder, and yes, let's do it. Alright, I waited for a while for this powder to work on my face, and now I have to remove it. Now, just like this picture, our contour line is very sharp. I don't like this much this kind of contouring, but we're doing it inspired by this makeup. Now it's time to work on the eyebrows, and I just like to brush it, and you know, there's nothing special about it, so probably I'm gonna use an eyebrow shadow, and we're gonna be done by the eyebrows, and then we can work on the eyes, which is my favorite part of this makeup. Look, we didn't do any kind of special thing about it. We didn't use any kind of soap or whatever to lift it. We just used a brush correctly and used just some shadow, and you can see the difference. For the eyeshadow, we gotta use something. You can use an eye primer or you can use a concealer, like me. I'm using concealer. And because I want a lot of pigment, I'm not using any kind of powder, bake, pancake or anything. And just the eyeshadow. And for the outside of the eye, we gotta use dark brown, and for the middle, dark blue. And let me see. Yeah, for here, you can use white or like light blue, anything you want to, you know, it depends on you. And a lot of glitter and shiny stuff, which I love it. I'm gonna work on this eye, and when I finish, I'll do the same things for the other one. And now I use, this brown kind of has red in it. And now I use another very dark brown for it. And I put a little bit of it here. Just a little to lift their eyes. And now I'm using the darkest blue I could find for all over it, probably shiny. And now I have to use another brush or maybe even this to fade it with the brown eyeshadow. As I told you before, I'm gonna use white for here and a little bit under my eyebrow, and later I'm gonna use a glitter on it. Oh, I think I'm gonna love this makeup, especially with these two beauty, the dark and light blue glitter. And light blue for here. And the last part, white glitter for here. Now it's the time for drawing the eyeliner, which I'm sure everybody hates, but we have to do it. I don't want to give it an evil eye, but everything's going perfect today, and I'm so crazy about this eyeshadow. This is amazing, isn't it? For under the eye, we have to use a dark blue here, and then we use dark blue glitter in it. And here, we should clean it with a concealer. And finally, my favorite mascara, Essence. And now, without saying anything else, I'm gonna do the exact things for this eye. What a long makeup. She has used a lot of blush, and I guess this is the closest color that I can find, and it's Nancy and 04. I don't know if it's pink or brown, and it's shiny. And also we gotta use highlighter on the cheeks here and a little bit on the nose. I like to use a white glitter too. No, it's not necessary, but I like to use it. And a lipstick is a nude color, so first I'm gonna use a pencil for it, 207 or 211 from Adore, and then one of these lip gloss, because you know it should be shiny. Let's see a close up. You know, this is not the lipstick that I expected, and it's not even close to the lipstick of this picture, but I like it, and that was the only thing I had, so I think it's fine. It's just eyeshadow and I love it, so love it too. And if you like this video and tutorial, don't forget to like it right now because you're gonna forget later. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we got lots of other makeup and face art that I'm sure you're gonna like it. And we're gonna post every week, so stay tuned for the channel. And that's it. Goodbye guys.